Welcome to my channel. It's the same BB London. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Please, if today is the first time you are watching my channel, you are welcome. Thank you guys for supporting me. I appreciate. So today I want us to talk about the most important lesson parents can teach their children. So God have given us these children for us to take good care of them. So they need to learn a lot good things from us, not a bad thing. So those things that is good they need from us is what I want us to talk about today. We parents need to teach our children to be honesty. The honesty is to make your child to be truthful. They need to learn example from you. You have to stand on truth. Children are learning very fast. They are learning very, very fast. Anything if you are behaving good, which means that your children are learning good things from you. If you are behaving bad, your children are learning bad things from you. If we parents are lying, which means that our children are going to lie, they are lying and they are learning it. Maybe if somebody find you, your friend or maybe a neighbor is looking for you, instead you are telling your child that you should tell the person that you are not around. You have lied. You lied for the first time, and your children have started learning in that moment. They have started learning from you. So we need to be a good example to our children. Let us speak good things. Let us be truthful. Let us be good. When we are speaking truth, your children, you will not see them lie. Even if they are lying, stand on truth. Tell them the importance, the reason why we should speak truth. Tell them the importance of truth. Because when your child is lying, even in the house or outside, there is no way you will stand for that child, because that child has started lying. So let us be good example to our child. It will help them a lot. But you will stand to defend your child when your child is speaking truth. So the second one is love and kindness. So love, we need to start encouraging them about this love and kindness. Let us be a good example to them, because what we are doing today is what they are learning, and they will use the same hand to grow. So when you love your child, the same child will follow this footstep to begin to do what? To love one another. If you are a kind of person that normally behave hatred to any person, that same child will are learning from you. So encourage your child to love. For example, if you cook any kind of food, you tell your son or your daughter, give your brother, give your sister. You are creating that same love in their midst. So that is the kind of love we are talking about. So let us be a good example to our children. Let us give them good hand for them to grow, because tomorrow we might be there for them or we will not be there for them. So what we teach them today at earlier age is what they will use to grow. It's for their own good. So love and kindness move together. And when they are growing with love and kindness, it is good for you. Tomorrow, that love, you will benefit from it, because you have teach them the benefits of love. When your son or your daughter love you, there is nothing that an outsider person can do to block that love, because they started it at earlier age. So let us teach them what is good and let them learn a good example. The third one is the joy of learning. You know, some children, they don't like to learn at all, but we parents, it is our own duty to teach them what is good. So how can you do it? You have to do what? To sit down with them. Teach them the benefits of learning, because tomorrow they will have their own family. They will use the same hand to teach their own children. So we parents need to do what? To sit down with them, teach them how to learn. Let them begin to learn what is taught to them in the class. Because when a child is learning, you are also doing what? You are giving them the same wisdom. Wisdom does not fall from heaven. It is through learning. So when you are learning with your child, don't do what? Be a harsh person. Teach them what is good. They will learn from you with a low voice. If you are teaching them what is good with a low voice, it will be easy for them to do what? To learn it very fast. But if you are teaching them with a hard voice, it will make the child to be afraid. Tomorrow the child will not be willing to do what? To do it again. So we need to do what? To do everything very fast and so easy, to make it so easy for them to learn, and teach them the benefits of learning. Let them know that the more they read, the more they learn. It's not only the teacher can make your child to know everything. So there are certain things you need to teach your child at home that will make them to do what? To have the joy of learning. So when you are teaching your child, you have to do what? Do it with smiling face. So tomorrow when you call the child, come, today we have to learn this, the child will do what? Will sit down with you and learn. And the person will be learning a lot from you, because there is something he or she is seeing your behavior that motivated him to do what? To do it. So let us teach them the joy of learning, because it will help them a lot tomorrow. When the child is learning, the child is doing what? Creating wisdom within him or herself. Another one is the encourage to speak up. This will help them to do what? To encourage and to ask a question whenever they want. Tell your child to speak up. Ask you any question that he or she does not know. When you are a kind of person that is, be harsh to your children, this wouldn't work, because there is nothing that the child will ask you. Because a lot of children are afraid of their parents because of their bad behavior. So when you are encouraging them, anything you don't know, ask me a question, I will teach you. So this will encourage your child. Even if you ask you what is this, and you know that this is knife, tell them this is knife. There is nothing deal with it. So when you tell the child this is bottle, yeah, mommy, what is this? This is bottle. So what is this? This is bread. And it will motivate the child to move on asking you any question. The child will not have any secret thing again. Anything the child does not know, the child will do what? We ask you, she or he will not hide any secret again, because you are the kind of person that the child wants. So when you are encouraging your child to speak up, which means you are making him to expose his secret. So another one is determination. Determination is what you can encourage them from the earlier age. So, you know, children, they like somebody that is praising them, whether what they are doing, whether it's good or bad. You keep on praising them. When you are praising them, it will motivate them to move forward. So what you need to do is, when they do anything that is not good, tell them that, see, you keep on praising them, but at the end of that praising, you do what? You tell them, this is not good. See how you will do it. So keep on praising your child. When the child, you tell them, go and sweep the room, and the child will do it. Maybe she or he does not do it very well. So what you need to do, hey, everywhere is good. You sweep it very well. Oh yeah, come, bring this broom. Come and sweep here. Come and clean here. There is dirty here. So you are doing what? You are praising them. Tomorrow, if you send the child to do it, the child will do it. But when you are not praising them, when you are not praising the child, which means when you send the child tomorrow to do anything, the child will not do it, because there is no encouragement in that. So we need to continue. That is determination. You need to continue praising our children. Let them, it will encourage them to keep on doing good for us and for their benefit of tomorrow and for their own family. So when you are praising your child, you are creating a way for him or she to move forward. We are moving to another one, which is do what? Good manner. You know, children, they are learning a lot. Because when a child does not know anything, it is we parents, we need to do what? To bring them close to us. Let them learn good things from us. When I know that a lot of us do not have a chance to do what? To teach their children. But the little chance that you have, you need to do what? Use it to teach them. Let them learn good things from us. So, good manner. Some children, they don't have good manner. You know. So, let them do what? Learn good manner. Thank you. Keep on. You know. So, in whatever, let them start from early age. When you give birth, from what? 3 months, 4 months, keep on saying anything, give me this, thank you. So when the child started learning from that, you are creating a good thing from him or her. So when the child is growing, if you tell the child, give me something, the child will do what? And give you. And you, like my son, whenever I tell him, give me this, pick this thing on the ground, he will give it to me, and he will tell me thank you, because I was the one that is saying thank you. So that thank you is you see, keep on saying thank you to me instead of me to say thank you. So that thank you have do what? Have mastered him. So he's learning from it. Anybody that give him something, he said thank you. So that thank you is moving on within his lifestyle. So you will do what? If anybody that gave him something, you said thank you. A lot of people, both grown up and underage, they'll even if you give them something, they will not even say thank you, because that manner is out from their lifestyle. They did not learn anything from there. Nobody teaches. When you serve them food, even if the child did not even say thank you, call the child back and tell them, have you said thank you to your mom? Have you said thank you to dad? Keep on teaching them. 1 week, 2 weeks, it will master them. Anytime they finish eating, they will say, Mommy, thank you. Daddy, thanks her. So they are learning from it. It is not by harsh voice, but it's from what? Low voice. You teach the child, and the child will do what? Will learn from it. So even when the child wake up, you need to do what? Good manner. You are putting that good manner within the child. You tell the child, have you greeted me this morning? He said no. Why? Oh, yeah, say good morning. Mommy, good morning. Tomorrow, why didn't you greet me? Mommy, good morning. And before 1 week, you will see, when they wake up, they will say, Mommy, good morning. There is no big deal on it. So let them learn good thing from us. We will benefit from it in future. And it will be well with them. The next one is lend a helping hand to others. So this one needs to start from the house. You know, you need to do what? To teach your child to help, to lend a helping hand to others. Let it start from you. We parents need to teach our children. Because of that, how can you do it? It is started from you. When maybe you know that you can do what? Stand up. From there, my child, can you do what? Obi, can you do what? Help me to stand up. The child will do what? Whether he or she is small, let him or she help you to do what? To stand up. So that is the led helping hand we are talking about. Or the next thing you can do is, maybe when the children are, their sister, or they are playing, the little one or the grown-up one, oh yeah, go and help your brother to stand up. Tomorrow, the same good manner is growing up within themselves. There is nothing that will make the grown-up one to leave the small one. In wherever they go, he or she will like to help the sister or the brother. You are creating good things in their midst. And the two, even when they grow tomorrow, they will never forget you. Even if at your old age, they will never forget you. Anything they are doing, they will keep on saying, my mama, my papa, my mama, my papa. I need to help my mama and my papa. So because of that, we are putting good thing within to them. You are teaching them good thing. Anything, a lot of crises are happening in the family. It is because what we parents need to teach our children, we did not do it. So when they grow up, it's what they learn outside, is what they will use to grow. When they have their own family, a lot of problems are going to happen. When the woman can't even endure in the marriage, she will just quit everything and run away from it. So let us do what? Learn good, teach our children good thing at the earlier age. When they are growing, they will grow with it. They will grow with behavior, and it will help them. It will help them in their own family. It will help them when you are passing. You will say that, who born this person? Who is the owner of these children? They are behaving good. Because that good manner started from the beginning. That good manner started from the home. So let us teach them what is good. I think this topic will help a lot of parents. Will help a lot of home. Let us teach them what is good. It will help them, and it will help us, we mothers, we fathers. It will help us, we parents. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I know that by His grace, God will give us the wisdom on how to do what? To take good care of our children. the God who gave us these children, he will help us to do what? To teach them what is good for their own benefit. Thank you and God bless you. Bye-bye.